One sunny afternoon, siblings Finn and Mira were exploring their dusty attic, a place full of forgotten treasures and hidden mysteries as they dug through a pile of boxes. Mira found a peculiar gear ancient with intricate engravings unlike anything they'd seen. Curious, Finn picked it up and suddenly, a strange tingling sensation ran through their hands. The attic shimmered and twisted, transforming into a whole new world in a blink. They stood on cobblestone streets, under the soft glow of gaslit lamps in the year 1887. "Where are we?" Mira whispered, eyes wide. "I think we're in the past," Finn said. As they stepped forward in wonder, soon, they met Mr. Orville Pendleton, an old clockmaker working on a grand tower. He looked worried.
Huh?
"Who are you? How did you get here?" he asked. Surprised, Finn explained the attic gear, and Mr. Pendleton shared his fear. "Every clock in the village has stopped at midnight," he said. "If it continues, time itself will freeze, trapping us in eternal night." Realizing the danger, Finn and Mira offered to help. They worked hard beside Mr. Pendleton, examining gears and studying ancient blueprints. Then Mira found a hidden compartment behind the clock's face. Inside was a journal hinting at a golden cog, lost long ago. Determined to save the town, they set out into the foggy streets, solving riddles, following clues, and navigating shadowy alleys. At last, Mira spotted a golden glint in a curio shop window, owned by a kind old lady. They traded a small heirloom from the attic for the golden cog, then raced back as the clock neared midnight together. The three placed the cog into its missing spot with a whirl and a loud tick. The clock tower sprang to life, shimmying across the village. Time unfroze. The town lit up with joy. Finn and Mira waved goodbye to Mr. Pendleton, promising to keep his secret safe. Back in the attic, the shimmering returned. They clutched the curious gear knowing their adventure wasn't over.